Hello and welcome to the British Rental Car Championship 2018 preview. I'm Richard Spanners-Ready, your dedicated BRKC pit lane reporter. I'm going to guide you through what to expect from the BRKC in January. It's the 8th season of the championship. Let's take a look at the story so far.
Is the one who's crossing the line now. What's it going to be? He is pole position. Ruben Boutens shoves it down the throat of everybody else. But Ruben Boutens leads and coming around the snail section. And what a beautiful sight this is. And look at that, already he's pulled out a couple of kart legs. And Ruben Boutens is currently the fastest on the track. Incredible show by the 3 times champion. He's in the lead. He's trying to make it 4 in a row. Just unthinkable, Alex. Spadil faster. Spadil puts in the new fastest lap. Sam Spadil really is the man in motion. Sam Spadil pitched it early. This is exactly why he wanted to do it. Ruben Boutens set the new fastest lap. He's the first one into 32 seconds. 32.9. We're looking at him now on screen. He is absolutely flying. He has no intention of making a race of this. Actually, it's Ghostland versus Sam Spadil. My goodness, this is going to be a tough one. Lewis Manley, of course, he was billed as the British hope when we were going into the event. But Gruten's up the inside. Matthias Gruten, Lewis Manley waves like, what the heck? But Matthias Gruten has taken position. Barsh has given himself a lot of work. He's round there. Look at this. Side by side. Danes the outside. Danes is banking on Barsh, getting ahead of Manley. He's going to go with him. Here comes Ruben Boutens. He's crossing the line now. He's going to be a 4 times champion of the British Rental Car Championship. Next year, I want to be talking about Ruben Boutens, 4-time British champion and reigning world champion. Please, can that be made so?
Yeah, let's make that deal.
The BRKC uses a format unique to karting in the UK, emulating the Kart World Championships. So how does a race in the BRKC work? Let's find out. First, the drivers head down to my domain, the pit lane, where they'll pick a kart at random in a blind draw. If it's a kart they've already had, they'll simply pick another one from the draw again. Next, the drivers head out on track one by one for their crucial qualifying lap. It's vital to find some clear traffic. Every place you gain in qualifying is one you don't have to fight for in the race. The start of the BRKC race is always rolling and single file. It's up to the leader to decide when to start the race. But if they accelerate too early, a false start will be called and they'll have to start again. One of the key differences between the BRKC and other karting championships is the mandatory pit stop. This is an opportunity for drivers to outfox each other by diving into the pits at just the right time. They can attempt an overcut, an undercut, or simply avoid traffic that they're going to have to lap. If qualifying and pit lane strategy weren't enough to overtake your rivals, then you've got one option left, and you still have the opportunity to pull off a daring on-track overtake. This is tricky in indoor karting, but we've seen overtakes for the lead in nearly every BRKC final. So it is possible, and sometimes even crucial. And if you get all that right, it could be you celebrating on the podium.
Hi guys, this is Ruben from the Netherlands. 2017 has been a great year for me, winning my 4th consecutive British Rental Car Championship in January. And finally, in July, I've managed to win my first Indoor Kart World Championship in Spain, Madrid. After having been very close a couple of times before, I'm very happy to add this title to my resume. I'm looking forward to race you again in BRKC 2018.
Hey guys, I'm Sam Spinall, and this year I managed to win the Nations Cup with Sean Riley and Giovanni Vaccinelli for Team GB.
Sam and I were upstairs and hoping to get to the 3rd place, and then all of a sudden Gruden's team ran into a bit of trouble and we just started climbing up the order in the last hour, and it was one of the my favourite moments in racing.
Yeah, 2017 Car Sport's been brilliant. Won the heavyweight championship, won the overall championship. It's put me in a brilliant mind frame for 2018.
Very tough championship as normal, but looking forward to my 4th year at BRKC, which is looking tougher than ever.
By far the most successful driver in BRKC history is Ruben Boutens, so we thought we'd take a look at what makes him the quickest driver at Formula Fast. So, there you have it. Now you've got no excuse if you're off the pace in the BRKC in 2018. Make sure you follow us on all the normal social media channels. For updates, follow BRKC on Facebook. So, from me, Spanners, thanks for watching. See you in January.